Another way to use the background removal from Adobe Express is to blur the background while keeping the people sharp. Add the video clip you want to use to the scene and select it. Now, click the background removal tool from the left side panel and wait for it to finish. You'll see that it's not perfect. The boy disappears and comes back. This tool doesn't work well when the person is seen from the back or moving too fast. Now add the same video clip again. On the right side, use the Layers panel to line up both videos. When the layers match in size, you'll see pink lines to help guide you. Make sure the video with the full background is at the bottom. Next, go to the left side and click the Adjust button under the video editing tools. You'll see different options to change how the video looks. Scroll down and focus on the blur option. Adjust it until you're happy with how blurry the background looks. Watch this video next, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.